What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to your Shopify store. So let's get right to it. Now there are two ways you can add custom fonts to your Shopify store. One is easy and the other is hard. The hard way involves uploading the font file to your files on Shopify store and then going to your theme settings, so themes here, and I'm using the default Dawn theme. And you want to go here into the theme next to customized, click on these three dots, click on edit code, and you basically want to find the code responsible for your theme or your style. Under the assets folder, locate the file that has the information on your theme, and then add the code or edit the code for the font, add the font name and the font file name that you uploaded. So it's basically a hard process and it's really complicated, especially if you are a beginner and you have no experience with coding. Now, the easier method is simply using an app to do so. So what you want to do is to click here on Add Apps from the menu on the left here, and then scroll down, get to Shopify App Store. It'll open up the Shopify App Store, search for custom font. Okay, enter. And you want to search for an app that has two things. First of all, it has to be free or at least has a free plan. And second, it needs to be highly rated with lots of reviews. So here you can select the app that you can use to install custom fonts. However, I'm going to show you two apps in this video, the Easy Add Custom Font and the Fontify. First of all, go to Easy Add Custom Font, click on Install, then install once again, and then you'll be redirected to the main app dashboard. Now, this app is as simple as it gets. You only have the option to upload files. So to get the fonts for either ways or for either apps, either if you want to go and edit the code or you want to go with the easy route and use an app, either way, you need to download some font. And to do so, go to any website that allows you to download fonts, such as thefont.com, or you can search Google on search for fonts, and you'll get like hundreds of websites. So for this video, let's say I like this one, the Peter Quincy. Download it. And it's now downloading. And once it's done, click on it. It's a zip folder. Click on it to unzip it. And now we get the OTF files, which is the font file. Now let's go back to Shopify here. And then choose the file. And then go to Downloads. And search for the font that you downloaded, the Peter Quincy. Here it is. You want to upload the OTF or the other OTF file, not the TXT file, the README. Okay, and now upload font. However, you'll get this error message because this app, the Easy Add Custom Font, only supports WOFF or WOFF2 formats. So I've gone ahead and opened another file that has fonts with this format. So let's download, for example, the Big Party for Blue font. I've already downloaded it, so no need to download it again. And let's go back here to choose file. And then go to the font that I downloaded, the Big Party Blue font. And in this folder, we have a WOFF version of the font. So click here and then click to upload the font. And now the font is uploaded successfully. Now, when you go to the theme customizing settings and you go to the font section, you'll choose, or you'll be able to see this font and you'll be able to choose it. Now, let's try the other app, the Fontify. Go back in the App Store. And then go to Fontify, click on it. And then click on Install. And then click on Install once again. And it'll open up the main dashboard of the site. Now, it's a bit more complicated than the easy one. It was pretty simple and straightforward. Now, if you go to fonts here or in this option in dashboard, the add font, click on create new font. Now you'll get the option to add or upload a custom font or add Google Fonts for free. So you can here upload or choose fonts from Google Fonts, in which you can go here to open a new tab and search for Google Fonts, and then go ahead and go to the website, that's Google Fonts, here to browse fonts, and choose the font and then add it to your Shopify app here. However, if you want to upload custom fonts, it's only for the premium plan, which is, let's take a look, only $3 per month or $29 per year if you pay yearly. So if you are into customizing your Shopify store, investing in a this sort of app is not a bad idea. So you can use it to add custom fonts, and the good thing about this app is that it supports a large number of formats. So it accepts here the TTF, the OTF, and the WOFF files, that the two that weren't accepted in the first one. The first one, the easy, only accepted the WOFF files. So if you have fonts here in the TTF or OTF, you can upload them into this app. And here you get to preview the font, you get to type the text here to preview how the font will look like, which is pretty cool feature to have. Now you can go ahead and go and play with the other settings, and you can assign fonts to different elements in your Shopify store. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can go ahead and add fonts to your Shopify store. And whether you add the font in this way, installing the apps, or in the other way, the hard way that I showed you, that involved coding, when you go to the customization options, you'll be able to view the font and edit it in your theme editor. Now, there are a couple of things that you need to make sure you get right. Either you want to add fonts with the coding method or with the app method, is that first you download the right font that is best for you, and you can go ahead and choose between like hundreds and thousands or even tens of thousands of fonts, either on Google Fonts or site like the font or other sites. And then you need to make sure that you select the other thing, which is the right font type, the OTF, the TTF, and you don't upload any other types that are maybe any file types that are maybe included in the downloaded folder. And adding them here to your Shopify store will ensure that you can use them, or the fonts that you add, in your theme customization settings. So as I told you, if you want to be able to have full control over your fonts or on fonts on your themes, investing in a non-free app, is a good thing. Now, if you go to the Shopify store once again, you'll find many other apps, and you can go ahead and try them all to find out which is best suited for you, which one is easiest to use, is cheaper, or supports the fonts that you have.